Okay, we're on the record. This is People versus Charles Farrell, calling case P1118122. Count one, no plates. Count two, improper plates set for a pretrial appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El Sindor, House Counsel P79118, appearing on behalf of Mr. Farrell.
You know what? Actually, this is set for a formal hearing, so I'm going to wait until 9 o'clock to recall this matter. I just realized that.
Okay.
Mr. Farrell, your officer hasn't checked in yet, so I'm going to wait until 9 o'clock to see what happens, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Richard Johnson, I have an offer for this case. Johnson, go ahead and unmute your device.
Good morning. Did you say Johnson, ma'am?
I said Richard Johnson. There's a lot of Johnsons in here.
Yes.
I get all the
okay.
J.
Okay.
This is Richard Johnson.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Johnson.
How you doing?
I'm going to put you into a breakout room with Attorney Alcindor. She's going to discuss with you your options today.
Okay.
You know what? It's set for a trial too, but I'm going to put you in anyway, just so you can be prepared. So his offer is for as charged with a 3-month delay.
Yeah.
I'm going to call the case at 9 o'clock, but in the meantime, I'm going to have you go in there and talk to Attorney Alcindor about your options, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So I need you to hit join on your screen in a couple seconds. It'll pop up and I'll take you to the breakout.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone's wondering what we're waiting for. There are no offers on any of you all cases. So I'm waiting for the prosecutor to come in to make offers. I can't move forward without that. So we just have to wait. Oh, absolutely. Cool. I got one more for you. In Attorney Fox, your client's cases, they're from 18, 19, and 20, so I need someone to write an offer on these as well.
The civils?
Yep.
Okay. Well, Judge, we can handle the misdemeanor today because I'll have to email the state prosecutor and sometime he doesn't respond right away.
Actually, you know what? These are all misdemeanors that were pulled. These aren't even, he has 4 misdemeanors actually that are outstanding. I don't know why they weren't on the document.
There's only one case on the docket? I thought they were all on the docket. I thought the FTD was the offer and then the dismiss all other ones.
It's only one case on the docket, but he has 4 outstanding counts. I'm not sure why they were separated. He probably, let's see. Yep, he missed the court date February 23rd.
I think that was the one that Ryan tried to zoom in on.
February 18th, missed the court date. Yep, February 23rd. Okay, so the prosecutor's here, so I'll get an offer on the misdemeanors.
Okay.
And I'll check on the civil infraction again.
Okay. Who's the prosecutor?
Ms. Rogers.
Okay.
Okay. Attorney Wilkinson, I have an offer for your client.
Okay.
It'll be for your client will have to be charged with a 3-month delayed sentence. Monthly pay is fine. It'll be $240. It'll be dismissed in 3 months.
Okay. Is there, I'm sorry.
There's a car in the driveway.
I'm talking to Mr. Wilkerson, Attorney Wilkerson only right now. What'd you say, Attorney Wilkerson?
Thank you, Your Honor. Is there a breakout room we would go to discuss this, or?
Sure, yeah. Mr. Frago?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with your attorney, so I need you to hit join on your screen. It should pop up in about 5 seconds, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Alcindor, I'm gonna put you in with Donald Jones. He missed his court date, for legitimate reason, so he's not on the docket, but we're gonna take care of him today. He has one count of open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger. And the offer is as charged with a 12-month delay. Mr. Donald Jones, go ahead and hit join on
Yes,
your
Your Honor.
screen. Hit join on your screen, and Attorney Alcindor will be in there shortly to speak with you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Farrell,
Yes,
are you okay with moving forward without an attorney? I can go ahead and call your case right now if you like.
I'm sorry, I can move forward without my attorney?
Would you like to move forward without an attorney? I can call your matter and dismiss it, or do you want to wait for Attorney Alcindor to come back?
We can call and dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay. We are on the record as the people versus Charles Farrell.
Yes,
It's actually a recall. Case P1118122, no plate and improper plate, set for a formal hearing and a trial today. Mr. Farrell, can you state your full name for the record?
Charles Ezra Farrell.
Okay, Mr. Farrell, your officer has not appeared today for your trial or formal hearing. I will dismiss without prejudice, so you're all set, okay?
Okay, I can't hear you, Your Honor, clearly.
Okay, your case has been dismissed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Potts. Please, you never can. Your client has 12 counts here, so,
12.
12. Clerk pulled the civil infractions too.
Okay.
Um,
Middle name Moncule?
Yeah, Monquel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monquel, yeah.
And none of them are able, I can't dismiss any of them for the age because they are, none of them meet the requirements.
So it was 4 misdemeanors and 8 civils?
Yeah,
If I get an offer on the civils at a later date, can I put them on a record?
put them on the record now, or what?
Well, I mean, if I can email the prosecutor now, but he probably won't give me an offer. He probably won't respond in time, is what I'm saying. If I can somehow get in contact with him later, can I put the civils on a record and waive my client's presence?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
So you want to take care of the misdemeanors today?
Yes.
Okay. All of the civil infractions are state counts too, so that'll make it easier for you.
Okay.
And all of the misdemeanors are city counts.
Okay.
So they're all no operator's license, driving while license suspended, driving while license suspended, no operator's license. Let's see. One is a duplicate, so it's 3 counts here. So the offer would be for failure to explain.
Okay. Can I just speak with my client in the breakout room real quick?
Sure. Mr. Fluker,
Thanks.
go ahead and unmute your device.
Yes, I'm muted.
Okay, and hit join on your screen. It should pop up in a few seconds, and I'll take you into a breakout room with your attorney. Okay, you ready on your client, Attorney Wilkinson?
We think so. We had a little trouble here in the initial offer. Could you just repeat it so I can discuss it with him further?
No problem. It's for, your client will have to plead as charged, but there's a delayed sentence for 3 months. So after 3 months, as long as he doesn't pick up any other cases and he pays his fine, which is going to be $240, it'll be dismissed from his record.
Okay, so that wouldn't be an actual conviction. It would be a delayed sentence then, right? Or
Yep.
okay, thank you. And then he's still in the breakout room. How do I get back in there? I think it's still on here. So
After the first initial time, you have to find on your, it might be in the top left, somewhere you can find the breakout room.
I found it. I'll discuss with him further and we'll go from there. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Lee James?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. James, if you're okay with moving forward without an attorney, I can call your case and dismiss it.
Yeah, let's go ahead with that then.
Okay. We're on the record. This is People versus Lee Christopher James, calling case U582-40820. 1 count of possession of drugs set for a trial. Can you state your name for the record, Mr. James?
Lee Christopher James.
Mr. James, is it correct you're okay with moving forward with the dismissal without an attorney present?
And now what does the dismissal exactly mean? It's just done or what? I don't understand the dismissal. I haven't been able to get in contact with my attorney for every time I've come to court for this. I'm not very happy with Mr. Davis at this point.
You don't know what a dismissal is?
Well, I mean, I just want to know like exactly what you mean by the dismissal, if that's okay, Your Honor.
It's not a problem. It means your case is no longer on the docket. Officers, it didn't appear for your case, so you no longer have been, or your charge has been dropped.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I still have to go on the record and say your officer now before, says here Wayne County Sheriff's Office, I believe. Badge 3100. I can't read the officer's name. Nevertheless, he did not appear today, so I'll dismiss without prejudice.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. James, you have a good day, okay?
You too.
Your Honor, I'm ready on Fluke or whenever the court's ready.
Okay, take care. A couple of matters first. Jalen Jelks,
Yes.
want to call your matter as well.
Okay.
Calling case P1116453, the People versus Jalen Jelks. Mr. Jelks, can you take your hat off, please? Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, fair to signal. Count 3, violation of basic speed law, set for a trial and formal hearing. Appearance?
Pardon me?
Attorney Alcindor, this is a House Counsel case.
I apologize. Good morning, Your Honor. Ayanna Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jelks.
Mr. Jelks, can you state your name for the record?
Jalen Jokes.
Okay, and Trooper McGivens has not appeared today. Is there a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. We move that this matter be dismissed for failure of the officer to appear.
Okay, I will Dismissing, Mr. Jokes, your cases have been dismissed. Your officer has not appeared also for trial today. So you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Joanne Johnson?
Yes.
Okay, let me call your matters. This is People versus Joanne Johnson, calling case SP 1087075. Count 1, no assurance. Count 2, no receipt of registration. Set for a trial and formal hearing. Appearance.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel.
And Ms. Johnson, can you state your full name for the record?
Joanne Marie Johnson.
And then date for trial, your motion.
Your Honor, we'd ask that these matters be dismissed for failure of the officer to appear.
Okay, and that's Officer Kropick. So I will dismiss without prejudice. Ms. Johnson, your cases have been dismissed. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. And you have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Any other trial? Anthony Jordan.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we're on the record as the People versus Anthony Jermaine Jordan, calling cases 408-822, no operator's license in possession, 408-823, defective equipment, set for a trial and formal hearing. Appearance.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel.
And Mr. Jordan, can you state your full name for the record?
Anthony Jermaine Jordan.
And designated set for a trial, their motion.
Your Honor, we move that these matters be dismissed for failure of the officer to appear.
Okay. Officer Brooks, badge 3904. Time is 9:11, so I will dismiss without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Jordan.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. Thank you. Randy Johnson. Mr. Johnson, unmute your device. Calling case X 3800791, the People versus Randy Lee Johnson. Count 1, no operator's license. Count 2, improper lane use. Set for a trial today. Appearance.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel.
Mr. Randy Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Randy Lee Johnson.
Thank you. Good morning.
Your Honor, we'd move that Mr. Johnson's case be dismissed for failure of the officer to appear.
Okay, that's Trooper Furish from Michigan State Police. Time is now 9:13, so I'll dismiss without prejudice. Mr. Randy Johnson, your case has been dismissed, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. I think that takes care of all of the case, the trial. No, one more, Richard Johnson. Calling case U561-27620, People versus Richard Drake Johnson, one count of loitering in a place of unlawful drug activity. Appearance.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel.
Richard Johnson, can you unmute your device and state your name?
Richard Johnson, Richard Drake Johnson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we've moved that Mr. Johnson's case be dismissed for failure of the officer to appear.
Okay, and that would be Officer Hunt.
Yes.
So I would dismiss that case without prejudice. Mr. Richard Johnson, you're all set. Unless we have any questions, you can log off.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I ask one question? All I got to do is Secretary of State get my license renewed?
I don't know what your driving record looks like. You can get a free printout from them to see what your status is, anything that's outstanding or maybe outstanding. I don't know, do you have anything in other jurisdictions that you need to take care of?
No, I know, this only ticket is suspending my license.
Unless you have a reinstatement fee that the Secretary of State imposes, a $45 fine, you may have to pay that. You can check online to see if you have that fine. If not, you should be able to move forward with getting your
Okay.
license.
All right.
All right,
All right, thank you.
you're welcome. You have a good day.
Thank you. You have a blessed day. Everybody blessed.
Thank you. Jones, Booker, and Felder.
Your Honor, could I have a breakout room with the prosecutor for Mr. Jones?
Sure. She is right here. And then I'll take care of your client, Mr. Wilkinson, in the meantime.
Okay.
All right. I think Mr. Franco still in the breakout room. Yep. Can you get him out of there? Okay, let me put you on to a breakout room.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, we're on the record. This is the people versus James Frago II. Calling case U-563-15420. One count of disorderly conduct set for a pretrial. Appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. David Wilkinson, appearing on behalf of James Frigo.
Mr. Frigo, can you state your full name for the record, please?
James Peter Frigo II.
Okay, and what are we going to do today with Mr. Frigo?
Your Honor, I spoke with my client and we reviewed the offer. And Mr. Frigo is 57 years old. This is his first brush with the law and charge. And we were hoping to discuss the matter with the prosecutor before we proceeded. We were hoping to plead to a civil ordinance violation today and pay a fine. And we want to try and discuss that matter with the prosecutor in a breakout room if possible.
Okay, as soon as she comes out from speaking with Attorney Alcindor, I'll put you in with her so you can speak.
Thank you so much.
Do you want your client in the breakout room too, or just?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I actually put you all in now.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
Mr. Franco, hit join, she'll pop up in a second. And she'll be in there as soon as she's available. Attorney Wilkinson wants to speak to you in the breakout.
Okay.
I was trying to let you know.
I was too quick.
Yeah.
Do you know if it's on Jones or someone else?
It's on Brago. I want his time.
Okay, shouldn't it be Jones then?
You want his time?
Yes, please.
Mr. Felder?
Uh-oh. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good.
I just noticed your case has been rescheduled to April 27th because the officer is in training. Did you get notification of that adjournment?
No, I just got for today.
Okay, so it was scheduled for today, but you were supposed to get notification for the adjournment. So it'll be on April 27th at 8:30 a.m. on Zoom, the same way as you just called it today.
Okay.
Did you have an attorney or were you using the court, the House Counsel attorney?
The House Counsel.
Okay, so just call in 8:30 and you'll have someone present to represent you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, let me put you in, Ms. Rogers. Breakout room 2. And Mr. Jones, let's handle your matter now. Go ahead and unmute your device.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we're on the record. This is the People versus Donald Jones, calling case 207-150-471. One count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger, set for a pretrial day. Appearance?
Yana L. Sindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, can you state your full name for the record?
Donald Orlando Jones.
Okay, and I see the recommendation here to dismiss as you have completed alcohol, some type of treatment program for alcohol, for alcoholism. Is that correct, Mr. Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I will dismiss this matter without prejudice, so you're all set, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Okay, Attorney Alcindor, I think you are done.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome. Good seeing you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, let's take care of Mr. Fluker.
I'm here.
Okay, we're on the record. This is the People versus Davion Fluker, calling cases 183-834-561, driving while license suspended, 184491391, no operating license on person, SP 108-64372, driving while license suspended, and SP 7775021, driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance?
Good morning, Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P7607, on behalf of Mr. Fluker. Mr. Fluker, please turn your camera on and state your name for the record, sir.
Davion Fluker.
Your Honor, there's been a recommendation that my client enter a guilty plea to failure to display, with the remaining matters to be dismissed. I ask the court to adopt that recommendation.
Okay, Mr. Fluker, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
You can put your hand down. Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right to trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Fluker, I'd like to bring your attention to May 25th, 2020, around 10:52 p.m. in the area of Harper and Brush in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2016 vehicle.
Yes.
What type of vehicle was it?
I think it was slingshot, Polaris slingshot.
I can't hear you.
Polaris slingshot.
Okay, were you stopped by Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, after dismiss the remaining counts, is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Fluker, did you post the bond in any of these cases?
Honestly, I don't remember. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's probably a no if you don't remember. It's going to be $240. I'm going to give you 90 days to take care of that, okay?
Okay.
And you're gonna have to pay reinstatement fees for the other 3 matters. That's the fine that the Secretary of State imposes. You can look them all up on our website, 36districtcourt.org for more information, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you gonna have a good day. And Attorney Paz, I text you the summary for the civil infraction, so you have it.
Thank you. I saw that. Thank you.
All right, you gonna have a good day.
Have a good day.
And good morning, Mr. Jordan.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Doing fine, and you?
Pretty good. We actually got the timing right this time, so nobody's in front of you, so we're ready to go when your attorney gets here.
Okay.
So as soon as he gets here, we will get started.
Oh, and if I could, Carla, I believe I need to change the offer.
Yep. I'm gonna put you on mute.